Hi, welcome to the Schwartz Care Institute. I'm Brandel France de Bravo. I hold a master's in public health, am a published poet, a meditator, and a certified teacher of compassion cultivation training. This 8-week course was developed at Stanford University by a team of contemplative scientists, psychologists, and researchers. I'm happy to say that the course's impact on participants has been extensively studied, with very positive results. Dr. Kelly McGonigal, who was one of my mentors and who helped design the curriculum that I teach, she describes compassion as a human strength that evolved to help you meet stress in a way that's good for you and good for others. Now, what Compassion Cultivation Training, or CCT, does is it strengthens your natural capacity for compassion, empathy, and kindness towards others, but just as importantly, towards yourself. Now, people who take the course say it's helped them feel less stressed and more resilient. The course meets on Zoom for 2 hours every week for 8 weeks. Each week's lessons and skills build on the previous week's, and each week has a different guided audio meditation for use at home. During class, I'll guide you in a couple of meditations, lead group discussions, facilitate small group exercises, and share with you a short lecture on the week's theme. By the end of the course, most participants have developed a very deep connection with one another, thanks to their shared experience. Some go on to have a lifelong meditation practice, which is what happened to me after I took the course. And others commit to living more purposefully and with a greater sense of gratitude. If you don't have time to participate in the 8-week course right now, consider participating in a 90-minute workshop called Introduction to Compassion Cultivation Training. There, you can sample my teaching style, learn more about the science of compassion, including the distinction between compassion and empathy. So why not join me and discover how tapping into your innate capacity for empathy and compassion can relieve burnout and bring more joy into your life?